Johansson not having a good year offensively, but he's going against MacKinnon. Is this the defensive look that Nashville wants to throw at the Avalanche? Because this is the Avalanche's top line. Nichushkin and Landeskog with MacKinnon.
He's at the red line. The Preds will pick it up, but it's bumped to the near side now for Turris. Quick centering pass, shot, save, Francouz, as Forsberg let that one go, and that puck rolled right to him. It was not intended.
There was no starts last year in the National Hockey League for Francouz. He was a brand new entity for us when he came in this year to the Colorado Avalanche.
Right now, with good pressure of the Avs in, that long outlet pass goes off of Logan O'Connor. We should let you know the Avs are playing with 7 defensemen here tonight as it's pounded off the corner boards. Andrei Burakovsky and Vlad Kamenev are both out of the lineup. From MacKinnon. Couldn't pull the trigger. Still with it. Sends it down low. Knocked away by Saros as MacKinnon tried a little shimmy move there. Back to the dot. Gives it off. Gets it back and shoots. And a save by Saros. He would not give up his ground. Ran the far side and Landeskog is by himself. Makar gets back on his skates after he was knocked down by Turris. And MacKinnon hounded by Turris as well. Reds trying to force the issue, and they force the turnover. The Turris it comes. Avs tie him up. Now a shot and a save by Francouz.
Well, here is that play, the quick little takeaway by the Nashville Predators. And Moshe, remember, the Avalanche have turned it around.
As in the far circle, the Preds' power play is not great this year. Both special team units have been lacking. Overall, Josi with a long shot there. St. Francouz battled for, kick St. Francouz. He paddles it away and Comfort will get it out. Up to the point for Samuel Girard. Tipped by Makar, far side MacKinnon. Walking, looking to Makar with a shot. Saved by Saros. Rebound shot. Saved by Saros a couple of times. Backhanded over the top. It hit something, not sure what it was.
They rock it, and they're not going to be able to stop it. But I love the read by 49 Girard. Same kind of play as last night as far as at the right time jumping up into the play. Last night, Landeskog had the puck in the corner. Nothing was going to happen, Moshe.
One of the top defensemen in the league is Roman Josi. Up top, it's Makar walking. Finding Graves, walks in and shoots off the post. It went behind Saros, and the Avs pick it up again. Makar couldn't get to it. It lays inside the line, and it's flipped out by Blackwell.
Pulled back, but here, watch on the right side of your screen. Watch Graves come in, and watch him look for his spot, right? He waits for the guy to go by. See the hesitation? He waited for the guy to slide by. He just...
Caught it by Girard. They never played together, of course. Quick shot, a save by Francouz. Set down deep into the slot. Shot wide of the net by Arvidsson.
And you get back to the look for the Nashville Predators that were out of the playoffs for the longest part of the year. Let's go back to 2007.
The Predators paying special attention, obviously, to the Avs' top line. Forsberg with a steal. He's in. Forsberg to the front of the net. Save Francouz! And the puck is into the corner. Forsberg, a power move to the front of the net, but Francouz strong again. Count trying to play it to himself. Nichushkin swings it to the left point. Here's Graves. Redirected. Save by Saros. Pounded wide by Count. Back to the point it goes. Blackwell up top for Ellis. Now Josi one-timer. Saved by Francouz. And it's booted into the corner. He made another terrific save.
For Shea Weber's shot, and all of a sudden I see this kid, young kid at the time, Josi shoot. I went, oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. This kid's got an absolute rocket, and what a nice save.
Giving up for MacKinnon. He'll fly down the right wing. MacKinnon, a drag move and a backhander wide of the net. Landeskog is there, down the goal line in front. Saved by Saros. Rebound. Picked up by Nashville and carried ahead by Arvidsson. Picked up by Girard. Finds Landeskog again. He'll find Johnson. Now the captain. Orchard far side on Turris. Back to EJ it goes. Goal line extended. Back to Landeskog. Scores! Gabe Landeskog sends it through short side. It ricochets in. It ricochets out. And the Avs have taken a 1-0 lead. The referee saw it the whole way.
Watch Landeskog coming out of the court. Takes his time right here. Relaxed. They give him a little room, and he throws it right off the bar. This is one of those ones that, right there, Moshe.
It just pops in and it just pops right back out. Rammed ahead for Granlund. He'll be followed in by Josi, who got the drop pass. Josi is in. Centering pass and it goes right through the low slot. Taken by Turris. Now to Granlund. Centering pass shot. Saved by Francouz. He robs Philip Forsberg. Arvidsson slides it around. Schuster. Let it knock free. Avs trying to pick it up. Makar stays with that puck. Dumps it ahead for Jost. Tyson Jost wandering in. Centering pass shot. Score! McCarr, Martin, count! There's career goal number 2. He was the trailer on the play, and he rips it home to give the Avs a 2-0 lead.
But a good, great read again by McCarr, jumping up into the play, pushing the play. But what a nice read right here. Stop again. Jost makes the pass. It's coming. You go back 2 games.
Cale Makar picks up a point. He's got 47 on the season. Quinn Hughes leading rookies. Turnover. Duchesne working it down the slot. Shoots and a save by Francouz. That puck rolled away from Duchesne. He'll stay with it. Trying to get loose from Nuchishkin. Landeskog wants out of the box. In 3 seconds, he'll be out in front. Josi with a shot. Glove! Save Francouz! He says no yet again with that magical glove. Amazing.
You know, I get back to the idea. I've been talking to people or talking to friends about what he does so well. He is so set. It never drops. That's one of the things that you're always looking for the glove.
Walks into the slot, finds McKinnon. Back to McCarr it goes, walks in, back to McKinnon. That shot, oh, backhander, saved by Saros. Rebound comes up, McCarr, shot, saved by Saros again. Picked up by McKinnon. McCarr dangling into the zone. McCarr down low. McCarr. Oh, and it's knocked off the end of his blade at the last second. Oh, what a play by Cale Makar. Gets free into the Avs zone. Arvidsson down the slot. Score. A broken play. A bouncing puck, and the Predators have cut the gap. It's now a 2-1 game.
Just is headed down ice. It doesn't look dangerous, but all of a sudden, Arvidsson, who is their best pure goal scorer, gets in behind, and they just like that. 3-0 turns into 2-1. And now for the Colorado Avalanche, you got to remember, what did Nashville do?
Kicked off a body, McKinnon picks up the loose puck and finds McCarr. Here's McKinnon, dancing in. McKinnon sends it in front, shot saved by Saros with a right pad. He robs Tyson Jost. Here's McCarr, walks into the circle, shoots wide of the net. Crawls on top of the boards and right to McKinnon. Back into the circle, in front, redirected, backhanded, saved by Saros, rebound, saved by Saros, and he's got it underneath him.
Wasn't through anyone that could get intercepted and then a quick break. Because you know Nashville, the minute they get hold of it, everybody's going to explode out of the zone, so they never let Nashville get the puck.
1:08 left. Saros wanted to go to the bench, got cut off as Ellis gets it into the zone. Now Saros making his way to the Nashville bench for the extra attacker. Absent it all the way down the ice and score! What a play by Erik Johnson. The Condor puts it away with 57 seconds left.
Let me describe the shift that Erik Johnson just had. He comes on the ice, the man's coming off. The man for Nashville's coming out of the penalty box. He comes down, he pushes the puck into the zone. He chased it down.
Saros is still between the pipes. That puck's hit right through the top of the crease. Long shot there. Walkered away by Francouz. Ellis with a shot. That's off 3 bodies. Backhanded score by Järnkrok with 1.7 seconds left.
We knew it was. What's really important to look at is the Avalanche were facing Carolina, a bubble club.
We're going to say officially 2.5 seconds left. Avs win the draw, and that is going to do it. So the Avalanche will win the first 2 games of the 3-game road trip, back-to-back in Carolina tonight in Nashville, Tennessee.